Hey, Dream Team teachers, hope you're having a great week and a great day. I just have some updates for you with the master agreements and registration links being sent out. So first, remember that students need to sign their master agreements by June 30th, and if they don't, they will be dropped from the program on the 1st. So make sure that students who are intending to stay with us, who haven't graduated or who are still communicating with you, sign their master agreements by the 30th. So as soon as possible, basically. And the registration links are now being sent out for all students. So there are some phone numbers missing on the master agreement page. So if you scroll all the way to the right on your tab, and if you can add some phone numbers for those that are blank, the phone numbers were just got from the Dream Team tracker. So any of them that are blank, if you can fill those in. Some students are graduated or are intending not to receive the registration for some reason. You can leave those blank if they're not supposed to receive the registration link. That's totally fine. But anyone who needs to receive it, fill out that phone number if you can by the end of the day today. And also, you can access the link that's being texted to them yourself. So if you reach out to them and ask them if they've received the text message for registration and they say no, or if you just want to send it to them and let them know yourself, you totally can. And you can access that link right there. So each student's link is unique. It has their district ID in it so that they don't have to know their district ID. It's already filled out. So just make sure that, so like for example, oh, you can't see it because my screen share, wait, let me see if I can move this. So for Bailey Dillon, or Dylan Bailey, this is their link, right? So just make sure that you access each student's unique link if you want to send it to them yourself. And that's all I got for you. Talk to you later.